Do you like to know what is my main business? Allow me to explain. I clean Oriental rug, area rug, silk carpet, Persian rug. 10, 5, $20,000, even more. That's saturated with pet pee-pee. So one day I pick up Oriental rug from a customer's and I took my daughter with me. She was 10 years old. And she said to me, "Dad, you pick up Oriental rug, but it smells so bad in the car. I cannot smell it. It's really bad." And I said, "You're right. So what did you smell in the van when we were driving from the customer's home to the warehouse?" And she said, "I smell pee-pee." And I said, "No, I smell something else." She said, "No, Dad, I smell pee-pee." And I said, "No, I smell something else. Try to smell it again in a different way." She said, "Which way?" I said, Try to smell. What are you smelling now?" And she said to me, "I still smell pee-pee." I said, "No, I smell dollar." The end of the conversation. I clean Oriental rug that is saturated with the dog or the cat's urine odor because nobody will give me a clean Oriental rug to clean just because my name is Mayor Martin. Nobody. So I receive Oriental rug from all over United States. They are saturating so bad with urine odor, then I enjoy cleaning them. I build a special machine, XpetPee, and the machine extracts all the urine through the rug. I never touch the rug in the wet cleaning process. So the question is, do I love the pet pee-pee smell? No, I love the pet pee-pee name. How to fold Oriental rug for shipping or for storage? Please flip the rug so the back of the rug will face the ceiling. Fold it as I show it in the video. And then after this, you can walk on the edge of the rug because you fold it like your finger. We will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Even we will email you the UPS label. We make it very easy so you can ship your Oriental rug from California, New Mexico, Arizona, and receive the best cleaning process you ever dream about it. Thank you very much for watching Pet Pee-Pee. Oriental rug drapery cleaning from Urine Odor. I love the name Pet Pee-Pee.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said pet pee-pee works and it guarantees it too.